Imagine a world where AI system doesn't just write your emails or fix your code, but solve mathematical problems that human geniuses have been stuck on for over 20 years for the price of a mid-range laptop. That isn't a sci-fi pitch. That happened this week. Good day everyone, you are welcome back to AllRoundReview. You are watching the All-Round Digest, your essential weekly breakdown of the biggest headlines in tech. We are breaking down a landmark week in tech, from OpenAI's Astra model family to Alibaba's 16 days autonomous AI developer. We have a lot of ground to cover. Let's dive straight into the headline. On our top story today, OpenAI has officially unveiled results from an internal build of their unreleased model family, codenamed Astra. Now, we are all used to seeing tech giants parade benchmarks showing standard test scores, but OpenAI took a radically different approach to prove Astra's capabilities. Problems that has remained unsolved for decades. Astra solved all 10. To eliminate skepticism, OpenAI didn't just publish claims. They generated machine-checkable mathematical proofs written in Lin 4, a formal verification language where hallucination is mathematically impossible. They uploaded the full verification packages directly to GitHub for global independent review. The headline takeaway here isn't just that the math worked. It's the cost that OpenAI estimates that generating these 10 solutions took roughly $2,000 in API compute tokens. We are watching AI transition life from an assistant that follows others to a synthetic researcher that expands the boundaries of human knowledge. Turning now to autonomous AI agents, where we saw massive leaps in software development and real-world robotics. First, Chinese tech giants Alibaba pushed boundaries of software automation with Qwen3.8 Max. This 2.4 trillion parameter model was given a complex software goal and allowed to work completely unassisted. For 16 straight days without human prompt intervention, Qwen3.8 Max operated as a full-time engineer, authorizing code, fixing its own compiler bugs, and shipping a production-ready software suite. Meanwhile, defense researchers confirmed a successful live flight test of Shield AI's HiveMind AI pilot. In this test, an AI pilot autonomously controlled a swarm formation of attack drones during a search operation with zero real-time human controls. Whether in code editors or physical airspace, autonomous agents are officially taking the wheel. In other major news, not every AI deployment this week went according to plan. Google launched a highly anticipated generative AI model capable of producing photorealistic satellite imagery on demand. However, in less than 24 hours, Google pulled the tool entirely, following intense safety pushback. Security analysts raised immediate alarms over how effortlessly the tool could be leveraged to generate deepfake satellite imagery of real-world infrastructure and crisis zones. AMD has officially logged in up to 2.5 gigawatts of data center energy capacity via Core Scientific. To put that figure into perspective, 2.5 gigawatts is enough electricity to power roughly 2 million homes. As cloud providers race to host these next generation models, the battle for physical energy grid access has become tech's newest frontier. Turning to consumer technology and cybersecurity updates you need to know about right now. If you use Google Pixel, take note. Google rolled out its August 2026 Android updates, but Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 owners are being skipped entirely for core performance and touch stability fixes, signaling a firm push towards newer Tensor hardware, despite those phones remaining in official support windows. On the security side, researchers issued an urgent advisory detailing an active DNS poisoning campaign compromising physical Wi-Fi routers at major venues and hotel chains. Rather than phishing for passwords, attackers are intercepting active browser cookies. That means even if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, attackers can hijack your open sessions and bypass security checks entirely. If you are working on public networks, keep your system updated and always route through a trusted VPN. And that is your tech recap for the week. Now, I want to hear your thoughts on today's lead stories. Are you comfortable with AI running machines and software builds? Or are tech safety guardrails failing to keep up? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found these reports helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to AllRoundReview, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you same time next week.